Yes, let me start recording. Yeah, I hope everyone is audible. Yeah, this guy has to resign. Yes, that Vamshi has to resign. Vamshi, he's okay, fine. Yes, this Veera Babu has to resign. This guy has to resign. He's in offline. Yes, this guy, Veera Babu, and one more guy. Yes, Vamshi. Vamshi. Yes, Ukam. Vamshi Ukum. Have to resign. These guys have to resign. Yes, only first 1 or 2 days only issue. From tomorrow onwards, everyone can understand, they can join easily. So first 2 days only this kind of issues getting. Yes, Beera Babu and Vamshi Hukum have to rejoin. Okay. Yeah, let us start session. Let us start session. Yes. Yes, day 2 session. Day 2. Yes, day 2. Today second day. Yes, before going to day 2 session, yes, let me review yesterday's session. Yesterday nothing discussed. Okay, let us go for review. Yesterday's session, day 1 session. Yes, 9:15 AM, 9th May. Yes, this is your folder. Yes, here recordings. Yesterday recording already saved and shared also. This yesterday recording already shared. Already shared. Okay. So yesterday recording are day one topics. So this is day 1. Day 1. Here day 1 topic. Today first is yesterday. So yesterday's agenda. So first of all the introductions, nothing discussed yesterday. So yesterday, yeah, recording I can share it. Yes, Mr. Venkatesh, no problem, no issue. Yesterday recording I can share you. Okay, every recording I can share. Okay, yesterday recording I can share with you. After finishing class, I'll share you. Okay. So yesterday, nothing discussed. Yesterday, all the introductions discussed, just only introductions. Yesterday, all the introductions discussed. Yesterday, all the introductions like about me. Yes. Yes, yesterday. So about me, the trainer introduction. About me introduction. Next, about your course introduction discussed. What is prerequisite to learn Java, course contents, what next after this course. Yeah, let me review all these topics today. Yes, I'll review for 5 minutes. After that, I'll go to new topic. First, just 5 minutes, let me review. See, about me, I think today again introduction may not be required. Okay, yes, 20 years of experience, 20 plus years, Java, Hadoop, Big Data. Currently working company, this is Silotech Private Limited, 18 projects completed. 2 projects on embedded C, 12 projects in Java, 4 projects in Hadoop here. Yes, my engineering 93 to 97, computer science, JNT Hyderabad. Yes, now currently 19th project on Java. Now current projects, client to Volkswagen, the cars manufacturing industry. Yes, about your course. Yes, core Java. Yes, today new guys. See this. About your course. Core Java. Duration 3 months, 90 days exactly. Time 9:15 to 10:45 am. 90 minutes class. Yes, Monday to Saturday classes. Only Sunday holiday. Only Sunday. No festival holidays, nothing here. Only Sunday holiday. Number of sessions. 75 to 78 sessions. Totally 115 hours class. Okay, fees 5,000. Certificate also provided on finishing your course. 3 demo classes free of cost. Without paying fees, you can attend. From tomorrow, actual class. Tomorrow means today. Today, actual classes. Even actual class also 3 days you can attend. Then you can decide. After 3 days, you can decide. Yes, not only based on these demo classes here. Just check with your friends. Just you ask your friends. Okay. You ask your friends who completed course of in my batches. Just you ask your friends. If they says okay, then join. Okay. Yes. Recordings. Yes, daily recording sharing to your Gmail ID just within 1 hour of finished by 1 p.m. See, yesterday shared already. By 1 p.m. shared yesterday. 1 p.m. So validity for 1 year. Okay. Yes, any student unable to continue classes with some reasons here, they can continue for next batch also. Next batch. I'm not a commercial. No problem. Yes, you can attend any number of batches. I think the situation may not come here because recordings also available. Yes, any day absent, you can watch the recording. For doubts, you can contact me. Okay, anytime you can contact me. Okay, that contact information also I will provide you. Okay, yes. Next here, daily recordings, class documents. Okay, next there JDK softwares and clips. I'll provide you these all these things here. Okay, class document here around 300 plus programs, 500 plus interview questions. So this is about your course. About your course, 3 months. Okay, so this is time Monday to Saturday classes, 78 sessions. Okay, yes. So what is prerequisite here? Nothing required. I'm not expecting nothing required. Just Windows OS knowledge enough. Starting with basics, finally taking to high end. So if you're non-IT background guys, don't worry guys. You don't worry. Even non-engineering guys also no worry. Any graduate can become software engineer. Any graduate can become software engineer. Okay. Yes. See here course contents. Yes, complete Java. It's JDK complete Java. Yes, totally 4 editions. Okay. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, next Mobile Edition and FX. Yeah, these two not in use. Only these two are in use here. Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition. Okay. Yes, today we'll discuss what is the reason why not using these two editions. Yes, what's the purpose of these two editions? Today topic. Today topic. Okay. Yes, today we'll discuss. Now we'll discuss. Okay. So Java Standard Edition, it's our syllabus. Today I'll cover once again. In today topic, our course syllabus I'll cover once again. I'll repeat once again with today topic. Okay. Yes. Now let us start. So this is yesterday's session. Nothing discussed here. See, yesterday each and every word typed and explained. That's the reason taken. Yes, almost more than 1 hour class. 1 hour and 15 minutes taken yesterday's class. The reason everything typed and explained. Yes, typed and explained. That's the reason it was taken for yes almost 75 to 80 minutes yesterday's class. Top to yes, everything typed. That's the reason taken. Yes, let us start today class. Today's session. Yes, day two. Day two. Day two session. Day two. Yes, let me save this. Yes, day one session, day two session. Day two. Day two. Yes, I'm saving it in your folder 9:15 a.m. Match. Yes, I'll share this also. Day two session. I'll share. Okay. Yes, day two. Yes, today actual classes. Today starting actual classes. Actual classes. Okay. Yes, today we'll discuss about what is Java, Java history, like past history, like present. What is present position of Java? What is future of Java? Why Java has this much of popularity? This thing we'll discuss. So complete yes about Java. Java past means history. What was happening in Java? How Java has become popular this much. What is present position of Java? Okay, next, what is a feature in feature? So next 20 years, what happens? These things we'll discuss today. Okay, yes. Let us start. Yes. So Java, starting Java. See, 1 second. Today Java, that history, present position, feature. From tomorrow, from the scratch, we are going to start. What is a software? Like system software, application software from the scratch. What is OS, about OS concepts. Next, what is front end, back end, language and packages, low level language, high level languages. So these things. Yes, like generation of computers. Okay, generation of languages, low level, high level languages. They are all basics. Okay, next interpreter, compiler, the basics. After finishing all these basics, yes, we'll go to Java. Java. So what is Java? Java, it depends on compiler or interpreter. Okay. Yes, next Java features we'll discuss. Okay. So this is from tomorrow. From tomorrow onwards, yes, from the basics going to start. From tomorrow, very basics, scratch. From tomorrow onwards, software basics. After finishing all the basics, I'll go to Java. Today, we'll discuss about Java overview. Java overview. Tomorrow from the scratch, I'll start. So Java. Yes, let us start Java. Yes, here, question for you guys. What is Java? What is Java? Yes, what is your idea about Java? Yes, started with question. What is Java? What is your idea about Java? Simple question, very simple question. Suppose when you facing interview, first question, as a fresher facing interview, simple question asked, what is Java means? Yes, what is your answer? Tell me, what's your idea? What is Java? What is Java? Simple question. See, right or wrong, that is not an issue. Okay. Yes, if you're saying a wrong answer, I'll correct it. Don't worry. If you're saying wrong answer, I'll correct it. So what is exactly Java? What is Java? Yes, I'm expecting the simple answer, not expecting Java features and all that. Just simple answer. What is Java? What is Java? Okay, it's very simple. What is Java means simple answer. Yes, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Yes, Java is a language. Okay, good. Java is a language. It's a language. Okay, fine. Yes, in language also again we have the different types of languages, like functional oriented languages, procedure oriented language, object oriented. So this is comes under object oriented programming language. So what is Java means? What is Java? Simple answer. Java is an OOP language. OOP means object oriented programming. Yes, OOP stands for yes objects. Objects. Yes, oriented. Object oriented programming. Object oriented programming. So Java is an OOP language. Java is an object oriented programming language. Okay, fine. What is Java means? Very simple answer. It's a yes object oriented programming language. It's an object oriented programming language. Okay. See here JDK. It's a Java software. JDK. Yes, it's a Java software. It's a Java software. Java software. It's Java software. Java software. JDK. Java software called as JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. JDK. Yes, JDK means Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK, it's a Java software. Java software. Java software, it's a JDK. Java JDK is a Java software. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Okay. Yes, JDK. Yes, originally from the Sunsoft. From the Sunsoft. Originally from the Sunsoft. Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Yes, it was taken over by the Oracle Corporation. That history I'll explain. Wait. That history. That history I'll explain next year. Yes. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corp. Okay. So JDK originally from the Sunsoft. JDK originally from the Sunsoft. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is Oracle Corporation. Okay, fine. See JDK is 1.0. JDK 1.0. Yes, the first version of Java. Yes, it's a first version of Java. First version of Java. JDK 1.0. First version of Java. Yes, released in the year 1995. JDK 1.0. First version of Java released in the year 1995. Yes, 1995. Yes, can you recollect 1995? What you was doing that time? Yes, I think before your birth. 1995 means maybe before your birth. You guys, before your birth, I think. Okay, 1995. Yes, 1995. That time I was in engineering second year. Engineering second year. Yes, I was in engineering second year. 1995. I was in engineering second year. At that time I was learning. See, I was learning C language. We have the C language in our engineering. C language and C++. Second year C language. Third year we have the C++ and data structures. C++ and data structures. Third year. Yes, I was learning C language. At that time we don't have this much of software. 1995 don't have this much of software. See, my engineering is 1993 to 1997. That means before Java releasing to the market, already I was in software. Yes, I was in computer field. So I know the birth of Java. So every version of Java I worked. See, 1995, just I was learning a C language on Windows base. Windows base, C language on Windows base. Windows base. So Windows, yes, very old version of Windows like 1.0 or 1.1 version. Beginning version. Windows, yes, released in the year 1990. Windows OS is 1990. Windows OS 1990. First version of Windows OS 1990. Okay. See, just started my software career. Yes, 97 started job. 1997 engineering here. So computer science engineering from JNTU H Hyderabad. Okay. Yes, campus. Okay. At that time we don't have this much of college. Only 9 colleges. Only 9 colleges. Yes, 9 colleges. Yes, AP and TS. That time. Only 9 colleges we have. At that time getting engineering seat is very tough. At that time getting engineering seat is very tough. That too computer science very tough. It's not easy. At that time engineering is almost equal to civil services. Almost equal to IAS officer. That time engineering. Not easy. At 1995, yes, I was doing engineering. Okay. So JDK first version. So first version of Java is near 1995. So I know the birth of Java. So every version of Java I worked. Okay. Not only Java here. I know almost every software. Release of every software. Yes, I have live experience. I have seen every software. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.0 first version of Java. Okay, fine. Yes, let me remove. This is not necessary for us. Okay, JDK 1.0. Yes, next version is JDK 1.1. Yes, 1.1. Yes, released. Yes, released. Yes, released in the year 1996. 1996. JDK 1.1 released in the year 1996. So JDK 1.1, yes, JDK 1.1 is divided into three editions. Sunsoft, they have divided JDK 1.1 to three editions. JDK 1.1 here divided this version divided into three editions. Three editions. Editions means parts. Editions means some parts here. Three parts. JDK 1.1 divided into three editions. Three editions here. So initially only three, later fourth one added. Java initially only three editions, later fourth one added. See three editions. First one, three editions. First one, Java SE, yes, calling us JTSE, JTSE. Okay, yes, Java Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition. So JSE or calling it JTSE, Java Standard Edition. Yes, next. Second one, yes, JEE. So J2EE, Java Enterprise, Java Enterprise, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, next JME. Next one is JME, JTME, JTME. Yes, Java Mobile Edition, Java Mobile, Java Mobile Edition, Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Mobile Edition. So these three editions here. Yes, why calling it J2SE, J222? Why 2 means second version? 2 means second version. See, 1.0 is a first version. First version, yes. JDK 1.1, yes, released in the year 1996. Divided into these three editions here. 1 second. This 1.0 first version of Java. 1 second. So 1.0, yes, released. Yes, released with below features. Yes, initial version features. Yes, released with below features. First one, yes, independent of platform, independent of platform. Okay, see JDK 1.0, first version of Java released in the year 1995. Yes, JDK 1.0 released first version, released with below features. First one, independent of platform, Yes, next one, portability. So portability. Yes. Now third one, object-oriented programming features, OOP language features. Next, scalability, and next, security. So with these features released here. So first version of Java released with here initial features of Java. Later added many features. These are the initial features. These are initial features of Java. These are initial features of Java. Later added many features. Yes, we'll discuss. We'll discuss all here. So JDK 1.0 first version of Java released with these features. They are initial features of Java. Initial features. Independent of platform. Yes, portability, OOP language, scalability, and security. Yes, we'll discuss one by one. What is independent of platform? What is portability? What is OOP language? What is scalability? What is security? Yes, all that we'll discuss one by one. One by one, I'll explain very clearly. Okay. Okay. Yes, next second version of Java. So 1.1, second version 1.1. 1.1 released in the year 1996. So JDK 1. Second version of Java divided into three editions. So first one, Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and Java Mobile Edition. These three editions. J2SE, J2W, yes, J2ME. Three. Yes, initially only three editions. Only three. Initially only three here. See, why calling it J2SE, J2W, J2ME means a second version. See, 1.1 is a second version. 1.1 is a second version. 1.0 is a first version. Second version divided like this. Yes, after that. Yes. So what is standardization? What is enterprise? What is compilation? We'll discuss. Wait. Next JDK, next version JDK 1.2 released here. 1.2. Next 1.3. Next 1.4. Next 1.5. 1.5. Next 1.6. Next 1.7. Yes, next 1.8. So 1.7, 1.8, from 1.8 onwards, calling it Java 8, Java 8, Java 9, all the versions here. Java 11, next Java 13 released. Now currently industry using Java 8. Most of the companies using Java 8, Java 9 rare case. See, yes, in our company, since last two projects we are using Java 9 only. Current project also Java 9 we are using. Since last two projects Java 9. Okay, yes, most of the companies still they are using Java 8 only here. 90% of companies using Java 8 only. Okay, Java 11 and 13 not yet using, still not using it. Okay, yes. So you can main focus on 8 and 9 features. After finishing all that 8 and 9 features, we'll go to 11 and 13 also. Okay, fine. Okay, yes, out of all these versions, main important version is JDK 1.5. Yes, JDK 1.5. Yes, most important versions. JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. Tiger version. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. Tiger version. It's a Tiger version. Tiger version. Yes, many features were added. Yes, in this version, many features were added. Many features were added. Major changes were done. Yes, in that version. Yes, JDK 1.5 called as Tiger version. Yes, released in the year 2004. Yes, JDK 1.5 called as Tiger version. Tiger version released in the year 2004. In the year 2004. Okay. Yes, many features were added. Yes, fourth edition. Fourth edition also added in the JDK 1.5. Fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition Javafx. Calling it JFX. Also added in this version. Also added in this version. Also added. Fourth edition Javafx. Also added in this version. Okay. Yes. So finally here. Yes. So finally Java. Yes, Java divided into four editions. Finally, Java divided into four editions. These three editions. So these three editions plus fourth one. Yes, JFX. Yes, JavaFX. So there are totally four editions. Yes, we'll discuss what is Java Standard Edition, what is Java Enterprise Edition, what is Mobile Edition, what is FX. I'll explain now. Okay, just one second. Let me have some water. Yes, next step. See here with the JDK 1.5. Yes, Java got the success. Yes, with JDK 1.5 Java, finally Java got the success with JDK 1.5 with its features. Okay, with its features. So finally Java got the success. JDK 1.5 Java got the success. JDK 1.5 with JDK 1.5 Java got success. Yes, to become success. How many years it was taken? How many years? Yes, how many years? See, JDK 1.5 released in the year 2004, right? 2004, released in the year 2004. 2004. When it was released, 1995. 1995. Okay. So 2004, almost it was taken for 10 years. Yes, almost it was taken for 10 years. Yes, 10 years is not a small period. Okay, very long period. Yes, over a period of 10 years, anyone will get the success. You guys also worked for 10 years, getting success. Yes, choose a field, choose correct field, and work for 4 to 5 years enough getting success. Enough, just 4 to 5 years enough to become success here. 4 years experience, very good experience. 4 years experience, yes, very good experience. You can get the success. 4 years enough. Okay. Yes, choose the correct field here. Choose first of all choose correct field. Correct field. Yes, how to choose? Yes, how to choose that field here? Correct field. Career, your career. How to choose it here? So first of all, first consideration trending technology. First, you have to choose trending technology always. Trending technology. Yes, next one here. Yes, long lasting career. Yes, while choosing itself, you have to consider these two things. Once again, like this, I'll give you different advices. Okay, in class itself, sometimes even I'll be taking some motivation classes. How to become successful life. How to get this successful life in our career. We have that kind of motivation classes. So to become success, what are things you have to do? That motivation classes. So work motivation. So thinking motivation, logics development motivation. Yes, sometimes I used to talk about motivation also, motivating you to become expert in the software field. Okay, some classes will motivate you also. Okay, yes. Now here, how to choose your career? While choosing career itself here. So what is the trending field currently here? What's the trending field? Trending technology or field? Trending field. Not only trending field here, yeah, there should be long lasting career. Long lasting career. Okay. No, here trending field means IT, no doubt. So trending field, IT field. IT field and it's long lasting. So IT field trending, always trending. IT is always evergreen here. Trending field and long career IT. Yes, in this IT also, which is the best technology? Yes, field is IT, okay. IT field is okay. IT field is very good. It's a trending field and evergreen field. Okay, IT field is a trending field as well, long lasting career. Yes, this which is the best technology? IT field, okay. So what's a trending technology in the IT field here? Trending technology. Yes, see, trending. Yes, many trending technologies will be there. Just some technology comes and goes within 1 year, maybe within 2 years. No, don't go for that kind of technologies. Just think before taking a decision, first think about it here. So trending, you're trending and immediately getting job, yeah, the job goes immediately. Just only 1 year the technology. Okay. Yes, like that here, some technologies what happen like that. Okay. No, presently Yes. Now let us take Java. Java, is it trending technology or not? Yes, let us think about Java. Is it trending technology or trending? Many technologies are there. Okay. See, when come to second point here, long lasting career is a Java, no doubt. Java is long career, evergreen field. For long time you can work. There is no alternative for Java. Now currently Java is the topmost position in the software field. There is no alternative for Java here. Okay, no competitor with Java here. Okay, yes, Java, is it trending technology or not? Yes. Java also trending is trending technology. Now currently we have the DevOps. DevOps is also trending technology. AWS. Okay, next Linux. They're trending technologies. Okay, DevOps, AWS, Linux. Okay, Java. They're trending technologies. Okay. Yes, see this. They are trending technologies. DevOps, AWS, Linux, Java. They are trending technologies. Okay. When come to long lasting careers here, Linux and Java both are long lasting, no doubt. Java and Linux both are long lasting careers. Linux never ending. DevOps, AWS, we can't say. In future, maybe another infrastructure tool comes. Yeah, this one is getting outdated. Yes, in future, maybe chance of getting new technologies, cloud environment management, cloud computing. In future, any new technology comes, this may goes. Okay, that is not a long-lasting career. Training, but not long-lasting career. So when you come to long-lasting, Java and Linux, evergreen field. Since 20 years, more than 20 years, I'm working on Linux and Java. More than 20 years, I'm working on this area here. Long-lasting career. Yes, you can go for either Java. My advice, you can go for either Java or Linux. Okay, yes, Linux. Yes, compared to Java and Linux, Java is highly paid. Java highly paid. Yes, in the industry itself, Java is highly paid. Okay, but little bit you have to work on Java. Yes, Linux very simple, easy to work. Infrastructure is Linux, but Java you have to have the programming skills. In Java programming skills. Okay, so I can recommend either Linux or Java. Anyone career you can choose. Okay, yes. So here, yes. Suppose if you're going for Java field here, yes, evergreen field and highly paid. Highly paid salaries here, highly paid and evergreen. Yes, Java is a trending technology as well, long lasting career. Yes, how Java is trending technology, how long lasting career, that we'll discuss now. Today topic is that only here about Java. How Java is a trending technology. Based on what I'm saying, trending technology here. Yeah, based on what? Yes, long lasting career. Yes, today topic. Today topic. Let us see. Yes, you have to choose career based on these criteria here. While choosing the field itself, first trending technology and long lasting career. Trending technology and long lasting career. Based on this, you have to choose your career. Okay. Yeah, I can use a career guidance also. Yes, based on your engineering background, based on your educational background, okay, based on your past experience. Yes, I can give that. Yes, right guidance. Okay, right guidance. Okay, yes. So let us continue. Yes. So JDK 1.5, yes, got the success. Yes, it was taken for 10 years, almost 10 years. You guys 10 years worked in software field. Yes, your life gets settled. Yes, Java 10 years. If you worked in Java for 10 years, your successful life means life settlement. Yes, your life will be settled. Cool, happy life. Okay. Yes. See, Java, no up and downs. Cool and happy life. Since 20 years, I'm working on Java. No up and downs career in Java. Happily and cool life. The thing is, we are updating versions here. Java versions, we are updating that here. But no up and down career. Yes, happy life. Very cool life. Okay. Yes. So JDK 1.5. Fine. Now, let us see about different editions of Java. First one, Java Standard Edition. Yes, Java Standard Edition. Yes, this is Java Standardization. Yes, it's a Java technology. Yes, it's a Java technology. That means you guys learning Java technology. First, initially you have to learn Java technology. Java technology means like Java language syntax. Okay, Java language fundamentals. Next, Java oops. Next, Java project concepts. This is nothing but Java technology. Java strings, Java exception handling, Java file system, Java collections, all Java technology. So you guys learning Java technology, Java standardization. It's a Java technology. Java technology. This is our course. Our course. Yes, our course details also I'll show now. Yes, today new guys. Today new guys, I'll tell you course contents. Just wait. Next one, Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's a framework. Yes, these are all the application development. Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's a application development. Yes, application development comes under Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's a application. Yes, application development. So this is application development. Application Java application development part here. Application development apps applications. See, in our daily life we are working on many applications. See, 90% of applications in the software field developed in Java only. 90% of internet-based applications are standard applications. 90% of software applications were developed in Java. Millions of applications developed in Java. Millions. Okay, millions. That is Java potentiality. Millions of applications. Apps. Yes, you guys, can you just tell me some examples? See, in our daily life, we are using many applications. In our daily life, we are using some applications. Yes, can you tell me some applications? Examples. Yes, in our daily life, we are using many applications. Can you tell me some examples of applications? Some examples of applications. Yes, in our daily life, we are using many applications. Yes, good. Manas, good. Manas, good. Yes, mostly used application WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a mostly used application. Next, what? Yeah, good. Facebook. Facebook, Kalyani, good. Yes, Facebook. Yes, Twitter. 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 Next, Flipkart. Flipkart online shopping. Flipkart. Okay. Next, banking applications. Banking apps. Banking apps. Online banking. Banking apps. Okay, banking apps. Yes, yeah, Google Pay, right? Yes, Google Pay. Okay, Phone Pay. These are all the applications here. There are different applications here. Yes, online trading applications, online trading apps, like online shopping. Okay, food delivery apps. Yes, all the online trading applications, stock exchange applications. Okay, like this, many applications. So there are applications, right? There are applications here. Yes, we develop this kind of applications using enterprise edition. Enterprise edition. We develop the application. It's enterprise edition. Yes, all frameworks. See, all frameworks comes on this category. It's a frameworks part. Frameworks. Yes, it's a frameworks. So what are the Java frameworks? We'll discuss. Wait. About frameworks also, I'll give some introduction. What is framework? I'll tell you. Wait. So Java enterprise edition. Okay. Java standardization, Java technology, Java enterprise edition, a soft learning Java technology. Next, with the frameworks using this Java standardization. Yes, in framework code is what our course. Yes, what are the code we are writing in the frameworks that now you are going to learn here. Java standardization. Yes, your core Java. Yes, core Java programming using the framework. In framework, complete coding is core Java coding. Core Java coding. Okay. So Java standardization, Java enterprise edition, next Java mobile edition. Next one. Next version. Java mobile edition. So what is this mobile edition here? Yes, mobile apps. So this is to develop mobile applications, mobile apps. So mobile apps, this area, yes, in this area, yes, Java is poor. Java is poor. Not in use. Industry not using Java here. For this purpose, industry using Android. Android is best recommended. Android is best recommended. Yes, recommended. Recommended for this one here, for this area. Mobile apps, Android. Yes, Android is a core Java based. If you know the core Java, you can work on Android very easily. Android is a core Java based. It's core Java based. If you know the core Java, easy to work on Android. Okay. Yes, Android is a best suitable. Android. It's a core Android from the Google. From the Google. Yes, it's a core Java based. If you know the core Java, then easy to work on Android also. So this is mobile edition. So next, yes, Javafx. Next edition is fourth one, Javafx. Javafx. Yes, using for the visual effects. This is for visual effects here. Visual effects. Visual effects. Yes, visual effects. Yes, this area also Java is very poor. For this purpose, yes, Premiere software. Premiere. Industry using Premiere software. Mostly used one is Premiere software. Premiere software from Adobe company. Premiere software. The film industry using Premiere software. Next, one more very old software, Maya software. Maya software. Maya software from Microsoft. From Microsoft. Okay. So this area also Java is not suitable. This area also Java is not suitable. Okay, here these two areas. So Java standardization, enterprise. Here these applications. See, 90% of internet-based applications were developed in Java. 90% of internet-based applications. Okay. See Java standardization. Let us see. Java standardization. Yes, about Java standardization. Yeah, this is our course. So Java standardization. Yeah, this is our course. Yeah, this is our course. Sorry. So this is our course. Core Java. Our course. Yes, what are the topics covering in our course? Let us go to, yes, this one. Okay, let me copy. Yes, instead of typing it again. Let me copy. So our course. Yes, Java standardization. So our course. First core part of Java for 1 month. Yes, in this 1 month, all Java fundamentals like data types, operators, counter statements, and Java language. Yes, all this covering here. Yes, 100 plus programs we are going to discuss. 100 plus programs. Logic based program, completely focus on logic here. Improving logics and programming skills. Okay. Yes, particularly non-IT background guys, how to improve their programming skills. Just focus for 1 month. Okay, even not only non-IT, even IT background guys also very poor in programming. Nowadays in college, no one teaching much programming. They are focusing on only theory concepts. In colleges, they are focusing only theory concepts, not on programming here. Programming. So even that guys also can improve your programming skills. 1 month I'm spending on the programming skills. 60 scenarios I'll explain. I'll give you 40 assignments. That 40 assignments you have to solve. Daily assignments will be there. So everyday assignments will be there. Okay. Yes. Complete Java, of course, totally 300 programs. First, initially 100 programs. Yes, 1 month to focus on logic-based programming. Yes, I'll make you perfect. Yes, it's a challenging. It's a challenging for you as well, me also. This part is challenging for you as well, me also. I'll make you perfect. 100% perfect. Once you good at programming, okay, then moving to next level of Java. Java, oops, 1 month. Okay, yes. See, within 1 month, I'll make you perfect. Yes, 1 month. I'm challenging this is. Yes, if you working every, but the thing is, I will explain. You have to work every day. Yes, if you working every day, every program, if you able to solve it, you can become expert. I'll make you expert. It's my challenge, definitely. Okay. Yes. Next, groups concept features. 1 month. This is so here. Next level of Java. This is yes. All the groups features. This is after finishing. Next 1 month. Totally 3 months of course. So this month is yes. This last one is 1 month. This is project related concept here. How to handle strings and string buffers, string tokenizers. These things in Java projects. Okay, next object wrapper classes. How it is in projects here. Exception handling in projects here. Okay, next collections. How it is collections in projects. Next iOS teams. Nothing but file handling in the projects. Okay, networking and multi-threading. These two topics were outdated already. Yes, 10 years ago only outdated. No one using this. Not 10 years, 15 years ago. 15 years ago outdated. Even outdated, I'll tell you these concepts here. Yes, I'll take 4 classes in these 2 topics here. So multi-threading, knowledge purpose, I will explain for 2 classes. Networking also 2 classes. Okay. Yes, they are outdated. No one using currently. Okay. So next after that, version-wise features. Up to 13th version. Up to 13 version here. So this is your syllabus. So this is Java standardization. Okay, Java standardization. Yes, next one. Yes, Java enterprise edition. Next one. Java enterprise edition. This one. Next one, Java enterprise edition. Is where this is using here. Yes. See, it's the application development area. Yes, applications here. Okay, see, 90% of internet-based applications, 90% of internet-based applications, internet-based applications, apps are developed in Java. At internet-based applications, many applications, lakhs of applications are there in the world. Lakhs of applications were developed in Java. Yes, see all the frame is a frameworks area. Yeah, this is all the frameworks. This is a frameworks part here. It's a frameworks part. Frameworks part. So what are the Java frameworks? Java frameworks. Let us say about Java frameworks. Java frameworks. Java frameworks. First one, Start framework. Start framework. Start framework. Next one, Spring framework. Spring framework. Yes, frameworks are very easy. If you know the core Java, frameworks are very simple, very easy. Frameworks are very simple, very easy to understand frameworks, easy to work with the frameworks. No coding in frameworks. Start framework, Spring framework. Next, Hibernate. Yes, Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Okay, next. Yes, after this, Hadoop framework. Hadoop also Java frameworks. Yes, Hadoop Java dependency. Okay. Yes. Hadoop also Java framework here. Spark framework. Spark also Java framework. Yes, Hadoop developed in Java. Spark also developed in Java. There is Java frameworks. Now latest framework is Spring Boot. Yes, Spring Boot. Spring Boot framework. Yes, it's an advanced version of Spring framework. Advanced version of Spring framework. Spring Boot framework. So they are the frameworks in Java. Okay, let us see one by one. Struts framework. What's the purpose of Struts framework here? Struts framework, this is for using for web applications, the web apps development. Web application development. Yes, web application means, one second, I'll tell you. Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Spring and Hibernate. These two frameworks, combination of these two frameworks, yes, we can develop enterprise applications, enterprise apps. See, web applications and enterprise applications. See, this is for web application development, this is for enterprise application development. So what is enterprise? What does it mean? Enterprise means large scale. See, Enterprise means some business, right? See, everything is business. A supermarket is business. Large scale industry also everything is business. But enterprise different. Supermarket is not an enterprise. Enterprise means it's a large scale business. For example, here Maruti Suzuki industry, that is enterprise. Yes, like Google, it's an enterprise business. Facebook, it's enterprise. Okay, that big application, large scale transactions. See, web application, it can handle large scale, small scale web applications. Web applications, it can handle, it can handle, it can handle, it can handle small scale transactions here. Means small number of transactions. For example, here websites, company websites. Yes, how many visitors in company websites? Very less. Website, what is website? Website provides what? Information about their company, their service and all, right? That's not regular. Somebody visiting about, yes, somebody wanted to know about company. Just visiting website and knowing about company. That kind of visitors are very less. Durgasoft websites. How many visitors? Maximum 1000. Suppose our company, Silutech, how many visitors? It's maximum 1000, 2000 members. Okay, so companies' websites. Suppose, for example, Amazon websites, how many? Yes, maybe 10,000 or 20,000 customers, not more than this. Suppose Amazon online shopping means lakhs of customers. That is application. That is different. Website is different here. Website is small scale that is web application. Website is a web application scale. Small scale. Yes. See, enterprise application. Enterprise app means large scale transactions. Enterprise application can handle. Yes, it can handle. Yes, it can handle. Yes, large scale transaction. Application which is handling large scale transactions is a enterprise applications. It can have large scale transactions, large scale transactions. For example, Facebook. Yes, many users every day. Yes, many users using Facebook, right? See, Facebook website, Facebook application is different here. Facebook websites, they want to know about Facebook history. Yes, who invented Facebook, what are services. Facebook site is different, Facebook application is different. Facebook website may be using by the, yes, maybe 10,000 per day Facebook website, but Facebook application lakhs, millions of users. See, in Facebook, 260 crores of users. Out of this, around 170 crores of active users are there. Active users actively working on the Facebook. 175 crores of users working actively means large scale transaction, right? So large scale, Facebook is large scale transactions. Yes, Google search engine. Yes, large scale transactions. Gmail services. Yes, large scale transactions. Suppose Flipkart, large scale transactions. Flipkart. Next, Amazon. Yes, Amazon online shopping. Amazon. Yes, Amazon. Okay. Yes, Amazon online shopping. Okay, like this. Yes, banking apps. Yes, banking apps. Yes, Twitter, WhatsApp. Yes, WhatsApp. These are enterprise applications. Yet to develop this kind of applications, Spring and Hibernate is suitable. See, Python. Somebody thinking about Python. Why not use Python? See, Python is suitable for the web apps, not enterprise application development. Python fails. 100% Python fails for this area. In this area, Python is suitable for only for small scale transactions, not for large scale transactions. Yes, in this area, Java is a king leader, no doubt. No alternative for the Java. No competitor for the Java. This area, no competitor for the Java here. No competitor for Java. Okay. Yes, here Python, only this area. That website development, Python is okay, fine. But big applications, Python cannot work. cannot support, don't have that much of features. Okay. See, 90% of, yes, internet-based applications, internet-based applications, yes, were developed, in Java, yes, using the Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Not only internet-based applications here, yes, ERP applications, yes, ERP applications also we can develop in Java. ERP apps also can be developed, in Java, can be developed. Yes, now currently 90% of existing ERP, 90% of ERP apps, yes, actually ERPs. We have the old ERPs like Oracle ERP and SAP ERP. Oracle ERP and SAP ERP. Okay, that ERP clients, 90% of that existing ERP clients for migrate Java. Because Java also supports ERP kind of features. Java also supports ERP kind of features here. So 90% of ERPs apps also developed in Java. Yeah, the reasons I'll tell you. So why ERP clients migrate to Java? Why ERP clients migrate to Java? That also I'll explain here. So ERP means enterprise resource planning. ERP means ERP, enterprise resource planning. Enterprise. ERP stands for, yes, enterprise. Yes, enterprise. Enterprise. Yes, resource planning. Enterprise resource planning here. Yes, planning large scale business. Planning large scale business is a ERP. Yes, let me show that exactly what is large scale business, what is ERP. Yes, some ERP. See ERP. One second. Yes, just a minute. Yes, just I wanted to share some message to my team. Just a minute. I have to send some message to my team. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, see. So this is enterprise. See, enterprise, big industry. Yes, see, many departments like purchase departments, purchasing raw material, stores, raw material storage, raw material dispatching to manufacturing department. So next, production departments, quality control departments. Yes, costing department, estimating cost of item, marketing and sales departments, customers handling departments. Next, assembling departments. Yes, finished and semi-finished goods, maybe in warehouse. So maintaining warehouse. Next, shipping departments. Okay, next, yes, HR departments. Yes, in the recruiting employees and payrolls management here. Next, company assets management here. Yes, company bank transactions, payments and receivings, so various things, various activities, right? See how many activities. Yes, enterprise, it's a big industry, big industry. Yes, to manage all the activities, more than 30 departments, many activities, right? To manage many activities, some application, some internal application record, that is nothing but ERP. ERP. Yes, presently, yes, we are developing same kind of application for Volkswagen. For Volkswagen, to maintain all their activities, we are developing one application. That ERP kind of application we are developing Java. Yes, using Spring and Hibernate frameworks. Using Spring and Hibernate frameworks, we are developing that ERP kind of application. This kind of application is a ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Yes, this big enterprise, in big different resources. So different resources. Resources, maybe, yes, resources, manpower, just next material and different kind of resources. All these manage all the activities. So application to manage all these activities. Application to manage this all these activities. Nothing which ERP app. That is ERP app. Yeah, that kind of applications also we can develop in Java. That kind of apps also we can develop in Java. So for ERP development, yes. For ERP development, yes, also you can use Java here. So 90% of internet-based applications, ERP applications. Okay. For this, using all frameworks here. Yes, all these frameworks here. Okay. Yes. Next, Hadoop and Spark. Yes, what is exactly framework? I'll tell you. What is exactly framework? I'll tell you. Yes, next, Hadoop and Spark framework. Hadoop and Spark. Yes, Hadoop and Spark. This is for the big data. These frameworks are to handle big data challenges. These are to handle. These are to handle. Yes, handle big data challenges. Big data challenges. Big data challenges. So these are to handle big data challenges. Yes, what are the big data challenges? See the big data challenges. Big data challenges. There are many challenges in big data. Big data. Yes, what is big data first of all? Maybe confusion with that. What is big data first of all? What is big data? What is big data? So big data means it's a huge amount of data. See, kilobytes of data, KBs of data, yes, megabytes of data, gigabytes of data, terabytes of data, yes, petabytes of data, yes, next to exabytes of data and zettabytes of data. Right? See this data, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes. This data is a small data. Yeah, this data comes on a small data. It's a small. This is small data. This data comes on a small data, like 100 GB data, 200 GB data. Yes, 1000 TB data means up to 1 TB. Up to 1 TB is a small data. Okay. Yes, up to 1 TB. Now existing systems like Oracle database. See, Oracle database can handle up to 1 TB data. MySQL database also can handle 1 TB data. Yeah, like existing databases. Existing databases can handle small data up to 1 TB, no problem. So data more than 1 TB. Terabytes of data, petabytes of data, exabyte and zettabyte of data. These days, this is big. This is called big data. This is called big data. Yeah, this data is a big data. Big data. See, for example, Facebook. Facebook is generating. See, Facebook generating 5 petabytes of data per day. Yes, very big data. Facebook generating, yes, around 5 petabytes of data per day. Lot of huge amount of big data generating. Okay, that big data, how to handle that, how to store. Yes, up to GBs of data means Oracle database can take up to GBs of data, but terabytes of data, no. Oracle software fails. Oracle database fails. Petabytes of data. Yes, these existing systems fails. For this alternative, yes, big data storage. Yes, big data challenges. Yes, mainly storage problem. Storage main problem here, storage. After storage, next one data processing cap, big data processing, data processing cap. Yes, big data storage and processing cap. Okay, for this, yes, alternative here, this is Hadoop and Spark framework. Yes, Hadoop big data framework. Okay, Spark is a next generation of Hadoop. Yeah, data. See, up to petabytes of data Hadoop can handle. Some data more than petabytes, that is Spark, exabyte and zettabyte, that is Spark framework. Yes, I have very good experience in this area. Okay. Yes, even last year I have taken Hadoop classes also. Last year, I think Hadoop almost, I think 8 to 10 batches I have taken. Yes, busy with my project work this year. Okay. Yes, this year busy with project works. Yes, I could not take this Hadoop classes. Just only taking some core Java classes. Core Java and these advanced Java classes. Yes. So last year, the COVID time, yes, work from home and project work is very less. Because of work is very less in the last that COVID period, taken big data also that time. Because I got a lot of time. Even don't have the project that time. Yeah, recently project started. Recently, new project started. So with that reason, yes, I'm unable to spend on these Hadoop classes also. Okay. If time getting, just I'll try to handle that also. I'll try to handle. Yes, you guys in our classes, in Java classes, yes, I'll explain one day about Hadoop and big data. Yes, I'll take one class on Hadoop and big data. Okay, yes. So okay, big data challenges, storage, processing, and backup. Backup also challenging. Big data backup taking lot of suppose small data backup means maybe half an hour enough. Big data backup almost 8 to 10 hours required. Okay. No, frameworks will not be covered. Frameworks is different course. After finishing core Java, you should go for frameworks. So core Java 3 months, frameworks 3 months, totally 6 months course. Okay, core Java 3 months and frameworks 3 months, total 6 months. Our course is only core Java. This is frameworks is not our course. Frameworks is next level course. Okay, that's different course. Yes. So this is yes. So here big data challenges. Hadoop and Spark. See, all big data applications, all big data applications, all big data apps. Yes, what developed in Java only. What developed in Java. Java based. All big data applications. Okay. See, 90% of internet based applications online services developed in Java. 90% of ERP applications also developed in Java. Yes, 100% of big data applications means all big data applications only in Java. No alternate. Okay. Yes, okay, fine. We are talking about framework. What is exactly framework here? Yes, we are talking about frameworks. What is exactly framework? See, what is your framework? What is your framework? Yes, what is your framework? What is your framework? See, framework, yes, is a yes, ready-made one, ready-made one, ready-made one, yes, and ready to use, ready to use, ready to use without writing any code, without writing any code, without writing any code, without writing code. You can use the frameworks here. Framework, yes, it's a ready-made one and ready to use without writing codes, without writing any code here. Okay, yes, it contains all predefined classes. It contains all predefined classes, all predefined classes. It contains all predefined classes. Okay, it contains all the predefined classes for every activity of Java application, for every activity of Java apps, for every activity predefined class available. Yes, it contains all predefined classes for every activity of Java application. So every activity, for example, here the database, for example, database, yeah, database code. Yes, Java application connect to database and fetching data from database and data processing, database code required. For example, database codes. Some database codes. Yes, database codes. Yes, around yes, around 150 to 200 lines of code we should write. Database handling here. Okay, for example, see database codes. See advanced Java classes. JDBC coding. Suppose Excel data is exporting to database. See here, yes, this codes. How many lines? 30 lines of codes. Yes, here how many lines? Here this is around. Yes, this is around. Yes, 150, 140, so 170 lines. Here this is around 75. So almost 250 lines of codes. 250 lines. Next this code 70, almost 300 lines of code. Okay. Yes, frameworks. See, first core Java. After finishing core Java, next advanced Java. After finishing advanced Java, next frameworks. Three stages you have to complete your Java. First 3 months core Java. Next, after that 2 months advanced Java, 2 months framework. That core Java, others are nothing. Completely depends on core Java. If it's strong in core Java, advanced Java nothing, and frameworks nothing. Okay. See, learning coding skills, programming skills in core Java only. That technology you have to use in advanced Java. Advanced Java nothing but is nothing but just is based on core Java. If we all core Java programming writing in advanced Java. Okay, next in frameworks, same core Java code is writing in the frameworks. Okay. Yes, just to build the application in complete core Java programming, we should write inside in advanced Java or frameworks. Okay, see JDBC coding. The JDBC coding around 300 lines of code is there in this application here. Small application. Yes, around yes 200 to 300 lines of code. Yep, that you can avoid. Yes, it can. Yes, it can. Yes, it can avoid. Yes, it can avoid using Hibernate framework. Using Hibernate framework. Like this get for different activities. Yes, Java application connecting to database codes without writing database codes. We can work on database. So that 200 lines of code you can avoid using Hibernate framework. Like this, we have the different activities. Like suppose application delivering emails. Yes, Java application delivering emails. For that also predefined code is available. Next, Java application delivering SMS, short messaging service, the text messages. Okay, Java application communicating some other servers. For different activities, predefined class available here. Spring is having predefined classes for different activities. Using the predefined classes, you can avoid the code here. Okay, see you can take. Yes, we can take. See we can take. See we can take. We can take all predefined classes. All predefined. Yes, we can take. We can take required predefined classes. Required predefined classes. Predefined classes. We can take required predefined classes and plug in, just only plug in, take the predefined classes, plug in into projects, and build it. We can build the project, build it, plug into project and build it. So we can take existing classes, all just plug in and we can rebuild the project. We can build the project, just building project. To build the project here, coding is not necessary. We can take all existing classes and plug in and you can build the projects. Okay, that is framework too. See, what is advantage of framework? See, advantage of framework. See, advantages. So first one, we can reduce the code. First point, we can reduce the code. We can reduce the code. Okay, we can reduce the code. Yes, ready-made class without writing code. Ready-made classes using means we can reduce the time of development. Reduce. Yes, reducing. We can reduce the time of development. Time of development. Time of development. We can reduce time of development. We can reduce time of development. Not on reducing time of development. Yes, we can reduce the project building cost also, because many resources not necessary here. Java resources, many resources not required here. Even much testing also not required. Suppose if we develop on your own code, yes, the much testing is required here. But predefined classes, develop experts develop the predefined classes. So much testing also not necessary here. So much development, much testing not necessary. Java resources, testing resources we can reduce here. Resources cost we can reduce. Means finally cost of the project reduced. Cost of the project reduced. Cost of the project reduced, right? So finally here, finally here, quality projects. Yes, quality projects. Yes, can be quality project can be delivered get delivered to clients with less cost, with less and less cost and less time. That is client, what client expectation here. What's a client expectations? They need quality projects within short time with less price range. That's what client expecting here. Clients are expecting that only here. So they need quality products, quality product with less cost as well within short time they need. That is client requirement. Yes, the frameworks we can achieve that here. With frameworks, advantage we can achieve that. See, I'll tell you one example of frameworks. An example of frameworks. See, yes, constructing bridges. For example, constructing bridges. Constructing bridges. Yes, constructing bridges. See, old days. Yes, how they used to construct bridges here. Old days. So first raising pillars. Yes, raising pillars. Yes, on top of pillars. Yes, laying bridge. Yes, laying bridge, right? Laying bridge, right? Yes, nowadays what they are doing here. Nowadays, what's the technology here? Same raising, this is minimum. Raising pillars. Yes, even for raising pillars also. Yes, raising pillars. So raising pillars, missionary using within short time raising pillars. See, on top of pillars, what they are doing here? Pillars simply assembling blocks. They are assembling blocks. Okay, assembling blocks, just assembling blocks, right? Assembling blocks. Yes, ready-made blocks available. Yes, just assembling blocks. They are assembling blocks, simply assembling blocks. Yes, ready-made blocks available nowadays. Assembling blocks. See, recently in Hyderabad, that COVID time, yes, that Telangana government taken advantage of that period. COVID period, taken advantage, Telangana government. Yes, that time, yes, no traffic, right? The curfew, lockdown period. Yes, no traffic, nothing. They taken advantage. Yeah, they constructed almost 10 bridges. 6 months, 10 bridges they finished total Hyderabad, particularly Gachwal area. Yes, in our office area, Gachwal area, yes, 5 to 6 bridges they have constructed. How? Yes, by assembling blocks, just the bringing blocks here and assembling here. They taken advantage. So within short time, 6 months only, almost 10 bridges they have completed. How? Yes, all that ready-made things available. Ready-made things. Yes, one more example. Yes, ready-made houses. See, ready-made houses. You can see ready-made houses. Ready-made houses. Yes, see, L&T construction company. L&T construction company. They will be using ready-made houses. That construction company. Okay. So when they have the projects, yes, they build the houses for their workers. Okay. Suppose laying highways and roads. L&T is a famous in construction, right? So wherever they have the project here, yeah, their workers moving to that locations. They build the houses, ready-made houses, like ready-made walls, ready-made roof, ready-made floors, ready-made steps, ready-made restrooms, and everything ready-made, readily available for them. Okay, simply they build the many of 100 hours, more than 100 hours within 5 days. Just 1 week is enough. Within 1 week, they build 100 houses for their workers' purpose. Once project completed, that house, so you care that house, removing all the parts and moving to new location and building again, assembling again. That is nothing but framework. I think it's clear, right? So that is framework, ready-made houses. Yes, next constructing and bridges and all this is ready-made. This is nothing but framework. I hope you understand what is exactly framework. Okay, right? Okay, yes. So that's a meaning of framework. That's a meaning of framework here. Framework means everything is ready-made one. Ready-made, yes, taking ready-made classes and plugging and developing project. Okay, so with framework advantage here, quality product. Quality product can be delivered to client with less cost and less time, with no time. Within short time, that can, yes, that's a client what expected. That's a client expectations. That's the advantage of frameworks. Okay, fine. So that's about different frameworks. Yes, 1 second. Last 5 minutes. Please wait for 5 more minutes. Yes, very interesting topic. Wait for 5 or 10 minutes. Wait for 10 minutes. Last 10 minutes, I'll conclude the class. Yes. See, here one more interesting point in Java is by the year 2010. By the year 2010, yes, 90% of existing projects were migrated to Java. Were migrated to Java by the year 2010. By the year 2010, yes. By the year 2010, yes. See, by the year 2010, 90% of existing projects were migrated to Java. 1 second. Yes, Kalyan is sending some message. Yeah. Kalyan, I will share everything. Don't worry. 1 second. 1 second. See, yesterday topic already shared in the group, WhatsApp group created. See here that 9:15 AM. This is a WhatsApp group. In that group yesterday, day one session and recording both were shared. Today's session also I'll share in the WhatsApp group. Today recording and today class topic, both I'll share in the group. Okay, yeah, yes. Okay, I'm giving WhatsApp number. Take WhatsApp number. Yep, this is my WhatsApp number. Yes, share your details. Yes, 8179189123. I'll add to group. Okay, yes, your name. What's the course you are attending? Next, what's the time you are attending here? Next, what's your Gmail ID? Yes. Share these details. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp. Take it, Kalyani and others. Please take it. This number. I'll wait for 1 minute. Yes. I'll wait for 1 minute. Take it. Take this and share these details. I'll add to group. So this is my number. Share your details to my number. I will add to group. Still anyone pending? Okay, so this is your WhatsApp group. Yes, 9:50 AM WhatsApp group. Yes, how many submitted yesterday? Yeah, around 10 participants were submitted. Details here. Yes, even communication also going on. Communication. Okay. See, here my case is my case 24/7 communication. Anytime you can call me. Yes, even some students are already called me. They spoke to me about career guidance and all that. Yes, in your batch, some students called me on this number also. They spoke to me regarding their career guidance and all that stuff. Okay, you need yes, no problem. Like your friend, I'm like just like your friend, like your brother, like your sister, just like your parents. Okay, just you can feel freely to ask any kind of things. Okay, here like no sir, no student. Here just like a friends, friendly classes. Okay, okay, fine. Let us continue. Let us continue our class. Here last almost only 5 minutes. Yes, see, by the year 2010, 90% of existing projects were migrated to Java. What's the reason? Reason for migration. Reason for migration. See here, 90% of existing projects. What are the existing projects here? Existing projects. Yes, 2010, by the year 2010, existing projects. Existing projects. First one, Visual Basic projects, VC++ projects, and .NET projects. The existing .NET. Next, C and C++. Next, third one, yes, SAP and Oracle ERP. Okay. So these projects are one category, these another category are another category. So these are the projects existing by the year 2010. These are the existing technologies and existing projects. Okay. So these are yes. See Visual Basic, VC++, .NET. They're existing projects. Yes, these are from the Microsoft, right? Yeah, these are yes. Now what's the reason? One second. Reason for migration. Reason for migration. See Visual Basic, VC++, .NET. Yes, or Microsoft technologies. Microsoft technologies. So what is disadvantage of Microsoft technologies? Anyone idea? Microsoft technologies disadvantage. Microsoft technologies disadvantage. Microsoft technologies are Windows OS based. Windows OS based means platform dependent. They are platform dependent. Platform dependent. Yes, platform dependent. Even platform. So what? Yes, what's the problem with the platform dependency here? Dependent. Platform dependent. Microsoft technology platform dependent. That's okay. Then what's the problem with the platform dependency? What's the problem? So let us see that problem also. See Windows OS. Windows OS. What's the disadvantage with Windows OS? Anyone guys? What's the disadvantage with Windows OS? What is this disadvantage with Windows OS? Windows OS is what's the disadvantage? No idea. What's the disadvantage of Windows OS? No one. This girl has to. Vasanti. What's the disadvantage with Windows OS? No, will not work with other ways. No. Windows OS disadvantage cost. That's okay. There's not a free of cost. That's okay. That is not a disadvantage. Windows OS disadvantage is not a secure OS. Main problem with Windows is not a secure OS. Yes, virus frequently infecting virus and data hacking. Yes, virus and data hacking happens with Windows OS. Virus and data hacking. Data hacking. Data hacking. Virus and data hacking. Problem with Windows OS is yes, virus, chance of data hacking. It's very dangerous, right? Right? Then which is more secure OS? Yes, which is secure OS? Tell me. Windows OS is not a secure OS. Yes, Kalyani, right? Linux. Linux is secure OS. Linux is a 100% secure OS. 100% secure OS. Yes, Linux. Yes, it's a virus free. Virus free. Virus and hacker free. Hacker free. Hacker free. Yes, with experience, I'm saying this. Linux, no chance of virus with Linux OS. No chance of virus. No chance of hacking data because Linux, everything is permissions based. Without permissions, no one can access our data. Suppose any unknown application is trying to receive, trying to take our data, hacking our data. No, Linux will not accept. This is a permissions control. Without permissions, cannot access our files or folders. Hacker. Yes, no chance of hacker, no chance of virus, no chance of hacker here. Okay, no chance of hacking data, no chance of virus. Okay, yes. Yes, Linux was released in the year 1999. Okay, yes, in Linux, yes, particularly Red Hat Enterprise Linux is the most popular. Is a most popular OS. Most popular OS. Most popular OS in security OS. Most popular OS. Most popular OS released released in the year 2003. Yes, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, after releasing Red Hat Enterprise Linux base here, most of the clients showed interest to move to Red Hat Linux base. Now client interest, they wanted to move to Red Hat because of security reasons here. So with security reasons here, yes, with security reasons, yes, most of the Microsoft clients, yes, move to Linux base, move to Linux base, Linux base, Linux base. Let's move to Linux base, move to Linux base. Yes. Now application. See here these applications. See these are Visual Basic VC++. These cannot. Yes. Since these applications cannot run on Linux base. Okay. Simply they move to Java. Since these apps, these technologies these apps cannot run. These apps cannot run on Linux base. Okay. Yes. Move to migrate to Java. The clients were migrated to Java. That's it. That's the reason here. That Microsoft clients migrate to Java. Okay. Yes. Next one come to C and C++. Yes, last 2 minutes over almost topic. C and C++. Yes, GA facility is not available. GA facility not available. Yes, you cannot develop GA in C and C++. So these are drawback with this, not available. Okay, GA. This is like this kind of things. GA development forms. Yeah, this kind of things cannot. Okay, forms you cannot develop. That's a drawback with C and C++. Okay. Yes, next. Yes, another one ERP. SAP Oracle ERP. SAP Oracle ERP. Yeah, these are costly. Costly in licensing. Costly licensing. Costly licensing. Java is a freeware. Java is a freeware and supports ERP features. Yeah, that's the reason. Yes, migrated to Java. SAP and Oracle ERP. Java is a freeware and supports ERP features. Okay, so licensing is costly. Because of that reason, 90% of these clients were migrated to Java. Yes, C and C++. Completely migrated to Java here. Yeah, these Microsoft clients also 90% of Microsoft clients were migrated to Java. Migrated to Java, right? So 90% of Microsoft clients were changed to Java. Okay. So Java has many clients. So next year in the year, yes, in the year 2010, yes, 2010, yes, Sunsoft, Sunsoft, Sunsoft was taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation to compete with Microsoft. To compete with Microsoft. To compete with Microsoft. See, so once Sunsoft taken over by the Oracle Corporation, what happens? Java with no Oracle Corporation. Java also with Oracle Corporation. Since Java with my Oracle Corporation, then all Microsoft clients or Java clients with the Oracle Corporation. Okay. Now Oracle Corporation has become leader in the market. After Java taken over the Oracle Corporation has become leader and also Java has become leader. Okay. So Java has become leader. Yes. Yes, Java has become leader in the market. In the market. In the market after taken over by the Oracle Corporate. After taken over. Yes, taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Yes, taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Okay. See, Oracle Corporation, they have the yes Java technology with them and database. Oracle database with them. Java technology front end, they have the excellent front end, excellent back end. Next, even they have the ERP also. So Oracle Corporation having many technology with them. So because of that reason, Oracle Corporation is leading the industry. Okay, see, in software industry, softwares in softwares marketing, in softwares business, Oracle is the leader, number one, no doubt. Other business maybe Amazon leading or Facebook leading. Yes, in different other business, Facebook is the leader. Next, Amazon is a leader. But when come to active software business, software technology, Oracle Corporation is a leader, no doubt. Yes, because of Java. So Java also has become leader with the Oracle support here. Oracle Corporation giving lot of support for Java. So with Oracle support here, yes, Oracle support Java has become leader in the market. Yes. Now here, see, yes, finally conclusion. Let us come to conclusion here. See, 90% of internet applications were developed in Java. Okay, 90% of ERPs, see, 90% of internet, yes, internet-based apps, and yes, yes, ERPs. Okay, developed in Java, right? Developed in Java. Okay, next, yes, 100% of big data applications, big data, yes, and big data apps in Java only. Then how many applications totally worldwide? How many companies are there? Software companies, hardware companies, manufacturing industries, schools and the colleges, all their websites, 90% of all websites in the world developed in Java. Next, 90% of their internal applications, school management, college management, restaurants management, supermarket management. Next, a software industries management here. Yes, next hardware industries management, manufacturing companies management here, online shopping applications, online trading applications. See many applications, right? Yes, lakhs of applications, lakhs of apps were developed in Java. Lakhs of apps developed in Java. Lakhs of apps developed in Java. That's analysis. Lakhs of apps were developed in Java. To support lakhs of apps. Yes, how many Java resources required? Tell me now. How many Java resources required? Java resources required. How many Java resources? Lakhs of applications. See, for every application, minimum 10 Java resources are required to manage the application. Suppose Facebook application developed in Java. To support Facebook application, how many? Many employees. Lakhs of employees working in Facebook. Thousands of employees, right? So lakhs of apps, yes. How many? Millions of resources required. Millions of Java resources. Millions of Java resources required here. Millions of Java resources. See, software industry. Yes, around 25 to 30 crores of employees working in software industry. Employees, yes, working in software industry. Entire software industry. Yes, working in software industry. Yes, software engineer means who are operating computer is a software engineer. Yes, not only working on Java, not only working on .NET, not only DevOps and Linux. This is who are working on computer is a software employee. Software. So 25 to 30 crores of employees working in software industry. Okay. So here, so 30 crores of software employees into multiplied by 5 dependency. Multiplied by yes, 10, almost 300 crores of population depending on software industry only. Total population 750 crores of worldwide population. Yes, out of one-third of employee, one-third of world population depending on software industry only. 750 crores of population. Out of that, one-third of population is depending on software industry. Okay. See, out of 25 to 30 crores of employees, around 5 crores of employees are Java employees. Yes, around 5 crores of employees Java resources. That is the analysis. Java resources. See, wherever you can see Java employee, right? See, check any company. Java employees. Yes, Java team is very big team. Generally, any company Java team is it's very big team. Yes, in our company, yes, 273 resources are there. Our total company strength is around 500 employees are there. Yes, our company Java-based company particularly. Java-based company. Out of 500, 273 Java only. Okay. Yes, that is potentiality of Java here. Okay. So you get 20 to 30 crores of employees working in software industry. Out of that, around 5 crores of employees of Java resources in here. Yes, now Java has a lot of requirements. Java, lot of shortage is there. Industry unable to find Java resources. Yes, industry now taking Java trained resources. Since last 1 year, Java trained students. Yes, once you finish your Java training, and if you good at Java, immediately you get this job. Take Python. Python already saturated. 1 year ago only it was saturated. Plenty of students are there Python who learned Python. Plenty are available in market. Okay, but Java, yes, no Java student available. Yes, Java, yes, industry facing yes lot of problems with Java resources. Yes, they're not available. Java resources not available in the industry here. Lot of shortage is there. Since last 1 year, lot of requirement is going on. Lot of shortage is there. Yes, next one more thing. This is present scenario. Present scenario. Yes, immediately after learning Java, immediately you can get a job. Suppose learn Python. Yes, it's a challenge. Even after 1 year also you will not get the job. Learn Python. After 2 years also you can't get the job. But learn Java. Yes, perfect with Java. If you good at Java, immediately within matter of a week, you can get the Java. Yes, become perfect. Upload your resume, immediately getting calls, immediately getting selected. But you should be good at Java. Learning how much Java learning is not important. Yes, how much you practiced, how much you have the strong skills in Java, that is important here. If you have the good skills and strong in Java, immediately can get the job. That is present situation. Future, let us go to future. Yes, right now there is no technology to compete with Java. Present position right now, no technology to compete with Java. Okay. Suppose in future any technology comes, maybe next 5 or 6 years, new technology comes. Okay, that new technology first of all must be freeware like Java. New technology must be freeware like Java. Yes, next that must be how should have the features more than Java, features more than Java. Then yes, then maybe clients showing maybe clients. Yes, these millions of millions lakhs of applications. These clients may be showing interest. When clients showing interest to move to other technologies, if they are getting more benefits than existing application. Yes, running maintenance cost and their requirements fulfilling. Okay, yes, if they are getting more benefits than the existing one, they will go to new one. If they when they are getting benefit more than that, see even getting more than that benefit, immediately they will not take risk. Immediately they will not take risk to move into new technology. Suppose 20, yes, suppose 2028, yes, maybe new technology comes after 5 years, means 2028 new technology comes, new technology comes. Okay, yes, that new technology, yes, new technology has to success, right? Success, to get success, to get success. How much time here? Maybe taken for next another 5 years. That means 2033, just getting success. So by 2033 getting popularity. Yes, after getting popularity, now clients starting migration. Yet to migrate lakhs of applications into new technology here, maybe taking for another 5 years. Another 5 years. That means 2038. Yes, maybe new technology. Yes, yes, leading the industry. New technology. Yes, leading industry, right? That time this chance of yes, outdated of Java industry, right? Not 20. We are in 2022 only. 2038 means almost 15 years. So after 15 years, yes, new technology emerging to software field. Next, one more thing I'll tell you. If you are a Java developer, easy to migrate to new technology. Climax. See that climax. You guys, yes, if you are a a Java resource, yes, easy to migrate to new technology. Yes, new technology, very easy. Java for Java guys, very easy. And industry will give the preference to Java guys also. Yes, Java guys are having more importance compared to any technology market here. Who worked in Java, they can migrate to any technology market easily because that is potentiality of Java, that is strength of the Java. See, finally climax also what happens? Yes, always Java guys getting benefit, no doubt. Even new technology comes, you can migrate very easily than others. That is advantage of Java. Java, it's a trending technology and evergreen field, long lasting career. Yes, you can choose, no doubt. Yes, I'll give the guarantee for this. Choose your career, Java. Okay, so for next 15 years, happily can work in Java industry, Java software. Happily can work 15 years working in software fields, life settlement. Means your generation, no doubt. My generation almost completed Java. My generation completely survived in Java. 2020, yes, 2000 years started my career in Java. 2000 years till it means almost 20 years means my generation completed. Next, your generation also can survive Java. Your generation also. Okay. Yeah, that is past, present, and future. Yeah, that's all about Java. Yes, that's all about introduction about all the Java. Is all is completed tomorrow. We'll start. Yes, I'm starting. I'm stopping class for today. Don't worry, guys. I'm stopping. Yes. So tomorrow we'll start. Get these features. Tomorrow I'll start these features. Independent of platform portability and these things here. Okay. Yes. So sorry, guys. Today taken more time. Just from tomorrow I'll take only 10:30 to 9:15 to 10:45 only. Only 1.5 hour class I'll take it. Not more than that. Only 1.5 hour class I'll take it. Okay. Yeah, today taken some 15 minutes extra. Not 15, I think half hour extra. Almost 2 hours class. Yeah, that's all, guys. Yes, I hope you understanding topics very clearly. Yes, let us find out for today. Tomorrow also same link. Okay, yes. Many topics we have discussed today. Lot of information given. Yes, all this information is my experience. Okay. So whatever the information given, completely my experience. It's my experience. See, most of the trainers, they have to collect information from the Google. Yes, information collecting is different. Yes, experience is different. Experience is different. Collecting information is different. For my case, I need not to collect any information from the Google. I have complete live experience. Okay, everything is experience only here. See, my experience is more than the industry, more than the Java industry. My experience is more than the Java industry. Okay, even Google also will not give that kind of information. Google also cannot provide that kind of information. Yes, I'll give that kind of information, that kind of solutions I can give in Java. Yeah. So that's all for today. Okay. Same link for tomorrow also. Okay. Tomorrow also. Yes, till Saturday, same link. Till Saturday, same link. Till Saturday, same link. Till Saturday, same link. No change in link. That's all. Yes, this day 2 session, I'll share it. I'll share it now. Day 2 session on day 2 recording, I'll share it now. I'll share in your, yes, I'll share it. Yes, I'll share to your WhatsApp group. I'll share in the group. Okay. Yes, tomorrow from Thursday onwards, I'll give the drive access. From Thursday onwards, I'll give the drive access. Yeah, that's all. Yes, tomorrow I'll take up to 11:45 only, not more than that. Okay, yeah. Sorry, not 11:45. Yes, 10:45. 9:15 to 10:45. 9:15 to 10:45 class. That's all. Yeah, that's all for today. So thank you, guys. Yes, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.